OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus is a premium-level device that ensures amazing performance in every department. It comes with a massive 16GB RAM, vast storage and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset that creates a great balance between performance and battery usage. Moreover, a dedicated camera and responsive display also help to deliver exceptional performance to users. About display and camera. An AMOLED display has been provided on the front face of the OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus. This display is built with a size of 6.7 inches and has a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and 394 pixels per inch pixel density. In addition, it also comes with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and an aspect ratio of 20:9. A 50MP camera is installed on the rear side of the OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus. It is accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2MP camera. The main features of this triple-lens camera system include touch-to-focus, auto-flash, face detection and digital zoom. A 32MP camera is also present on the front side of this smartphone to capture brilliant selfies, record videos and make video calls. Know about configuration and battery. The configurations of the OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus include an 8-core, 3.2 GHz Cortex-X2 single-core, 2.75 GHz Cortex-A710 tri-core and 2 GHz Cortex-A510 quad-core processor. 16 GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Also, for binge-watch movies and playing heavy games, OPPO has also included an Adreno 730 GPU in the configurations of OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus. The battery present in the OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus is Li polymer by type and is 4700 mAh in capacity. Furthermore, it is non-removable and has a 80W Super VOOC charging system. About storage and connectivity, a non-expandable Type-C, 256 GB of internal storage is loaded within the OPPO Reno9 Pro Plus. Talking about its connectivity features, the device supports USB Type-C, Bluetooth V5.3, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, AGPS, 5G, mobile hotspot and NFC.